Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the aspect ratio in a CapCut project. Now let's begin. Initially, let's open the CapCut app on our mobile device. And now for instance, let's say we create a project. I'm gonna select this video. You can select any video you wish and simply click on Add. Now you want to change the aspect ratio. Now what to do? On the bottom of the screen, if you scroll over to the right, you will find something called as aspect ratio. Let's click on it. Right here, there are lots of aspect ratios available such as 9:16, 1:1, 16:9 or 4:3. Depending upon the requirements, select the appropriate aspect ratio and simply click on the stick button right here. And that's it guys, that's how you change the aspect ratio on a CapCut project. For any queries, do comment below. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.